While working with stroke rehabilitation and recovery, the University of North Texas Health Science Center kept running into a big problem. When stroke patients were learning to walk again, they had trouble dual tasking. That is to say, maintaining balance and movement while performing functional arm movements, such as opening a door. UNT turned to Motec Medical for a solution. In response, Motec Medical developed Magician's Apprentice. This application creates a virtual environment full of rooms and corridors containing targets the patient must arrive at and touch as quickly as they can. These targets are hidden behind a variety of doors, which they must open by performing specific arm movements, thus causing them to unconsciously dual task. Because the patient is safely immersed in the multisensory virtual reality world, the research gathered comes from unconscious, natural movement, and it provokes a whole new way of thinking about rehabilitation. We believe in creating something for every patient's needs, so that they don't spend their life in rehabilitation. They rehabilitate so they can return to life.